Good afternoon, everybody. Good Sunday afternoon. Guys, you see the title of the video. Americans continue to get bitten by the car bug. Americans continue to get their ass bitten by the car bug. Guys, right now, Americans on average are on a record having $7,000 worth of negative equity on new car loans. The average American is trading in a vehicle that has at least $7,000 worth of negative equity. 30% of all new car loans are having $7,000 of negative equity rolled over onto the new vehicle. Because guess why, guys? Because they're broke. They don't have any money. They don't have the $7,000 to make up the difference because people are broke and struggling. So they make the wise decision that I'm going to roll over this $7,000 to my new loan, which is going to inflate the value, inflate the price of the car, and inflate my payment when I'm already broke and struggling. This is why it's hard for me to feel sorry for Americans or broke people when they continue to make horrible financial decisions. Americans continue to owe more on their car loans than their vehicle is worth in record numbers. According to the latest vehicle transaction data from Edmunds, in the second quarter of 2026, consumers trading in their vehicle on a new vehicle purchase continue to carry a record amount of negative equity on their existing loans, rolling over an average of $7,000 onto the newer car loan. Let me explain what this is, guys. I was talking to an individual, a grown adult, last night who really didn't understand what this meant. Let's just say you're paying, you got a loan on your vehicle. Let's say you owe $17,000 on your vehicle to the bank. But once you go to trade it in, they say it's only worth $10,000. You are $7,000 underwater, or you are $7,000 in negative equity because the car is only worth $10,000, but you owe $17,000. And what most dumbass people are doing, I'm just going to call it like it is. You know how I get down on this channel. I'll tell it like it is. And what most dumb people are doing is taking that $7,000 worth of negative equity and they're putting it on to the next loan. That's inflating the price of that car that they're buying and inflating their car payment by an average of another $160. So individuals that are already broke are taking on more responsibility, a heavier payment, more of a payment. Does that make any financial sense to anybody? Does that make any financial sense to anybody? Again, I asked the question, why are Americans so consumed with cars? Why are Americans so consumed with cars? We will essentially go broke for a car, guys. We will go broke for a car. We will ruin our financial lives for a car. Got something to show you guys. In case you are a returning viewer, or a new viewer. In case you are a new viewer, see that right there? That's my 2019 Corvette Stingray Z51 package, C7, right? And this is my everyday driver. See, I got an everyday driver Chevy Cruze 2015, 220,000 miles on it. I don't give a shit what anybody thinks of my car. It gets me from point A to point B. I don't give a shit what people think about my daily driver. That's my daily driver, 2015 Chevy Cruze. Don't give a shit what anybody thinks about it because I'm not here to impress anybody. And again, it's paid for. Got the titles to both of them. So, show you guys something right. So I'm on kellybluebook.com. This is my exact vehicle right here. 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 package 2-door. Just wanted to see what my car was worth. Trade in $37,000 to $42,000 with a median of $40,000. Private party, $43,000 to $48,000 with a median of $46,000. Guys, I own that car. If I sell that car, if I sell my Corvette, that money is in my pocket. I don't owe a bank. It's bought and paid for in cash. And it doesn't matter what any of you would pay for the car, because I would only need one person to give me the money. Doesn't matter what you would pay for the Corvette. What matters is what somebody will pay me for the Corvette. Because I would only need one person to buy it. So it doesn't matter what you would pay for it. What matters is what it's worth and what somebody will pay me for it. Because that car is still a hot commodity. The C7s are still a hot commodity. People love those C7s. And that's the model that I wanted, was the C7. The last year of the C7, 2019. But the point I'm making is that I don't owe anybody for the car. There's no negative equity on the car. If I was to sell the car, that money goes into my pockets. My pockets. Goes into my pockets. I don't owe anybody anything, not a dime for it. It's mine. But the point I'm making is that I don't understand why individuals, I waited, guys, I've been wanting a Corvette for years. Years, since I was in my 30s. But I waited till I was financially stable to buy it and buy it right with cash. Too many people are wanting to impress individuals, impress people you don't even know, and going out and buying cars that you cannot afford. Buying cars that you cannot afford. Buying cars that's financially ruining you. Financially stressing you out mentally. Because you have a car payment that you cannot afford. Too many Americans are doing this, guys. Too many Americans are keep making this horrible, horrible decision, getting bitten by the car bug. Getting their ass tore out the frame for a damn car. It's not worth it. Guys, stop making these bad decisions with cars. Just stop it. Car debt is one of the biggest wealth killers out there. Car debt, credit cards. Guys, take it from me. Stop making these horrible decisions with these cars. Get your finances in order. Let's get this money. Let's get this money. This is Frank. I'm out here. You guys have a great Sunday. I'm out.